So guys, here is a special invitation for Investival, which is an investors conclave, which is going to happen in Bangalore in the month of April from 28th to 30th. This is a 3-day event, which will be a residential event. This is been happening, will happen in Taj Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. It is a purely investors conclave where we are inviting very big names as investors. They will be sharing you a lot of topics on value investing, techno fundamental investing, momentum investing. We have categorized the themes. On the basis of the theme, the expertise will come and they will talk about they will share you the strategies and the investment ideas so that you can utilize in your investing journey. Next slide, sir. These are the investable highlights where we are expecting 200 plus professional investors to come and gather in this event. Plus, we are inviting 25 portfolio managers, 25 pan-India mentors. Also, as I said, we have categorized the 6 speakers on a theme based. Like, for example, momentum investing, we have a speaker called Sonam Srivastava from the Right Research. And for the value investing, we have finalized Gaurav Chopra, who is an excellent investor. I have been looking him very personally. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome everyone to the Nifty Banker event, which is India's first retail index traders online conference. I'm Fazil Ahmed, the Director of Education and Events at Traders Gurukul, and also for the host today's program. It's a great pleasure to invite every one of you to the third edition of this Nifty Banker webinar series. I'm sure by the end of this program, you will have a lot of knowledge which can help you to make better decisions in your trading journey. Let me also like to thank our media partner Money Control Pro, which is the largest financial portal in India with millions of daily readership on their website. Also, they helped us to reach a wider audience in short span of time. The speaker for today is Mr. Lovedeep Garg. He will empower us today's special topic called order flow in index trading. Okay, so also he is the founder and director of Stocks Technofunda, as well as he's also a data analytics guy who uses his skills in stocks and index options. He completed 7 years of research on data analysis to track big player positions using FPI and daily delivery and also volume data. Using the data analysis, he has developed a method to catch 10 to 20% swing movement in any stock. He uses extensive data analytics in trading intraday using order flow as well as OI. His robots run automatically without any manual intervention in the intraday setups. He uses algos for monthly premium eating strategies in options as well. Mr. Lovedeep sir, on behalf of Traders Gurukul and Money Control Pro, I extend my warm welcome into our program as an elite speaker. Go ahead, sir. The stage is yours.
Hey everyone, good evening. So I'm here, Lovedeep Garg. So let's start the session today, guys. So today you will be seeing me interacting with order flow and using order flow in trading index. And in terms of order flow, I will give you a detail because it's a new topic that to be most of you are seeing price action study, but this is a little different from in US. Mostly people are using the order flow and all, but in India, very less number of people, audience are there. They find it difficult, but I'll try to give you a way that how you can incorporate order flow, because as you know that I am on a guy of data analytics and I don't trade without any data proven things happening to the market. Before making any decision, I need to know what's happening in terms of the data. Let's start the today topic, guys. So what is order flow analysis, right? And then today we'll also discuss about the delta, imbalance, cumulative delta. We also talk about the critical delta. That is very, very important to define our strategy for the day. And then we'll learn a strategy, how we can use all of these things to define a strategy or use the strategy using an order flow. As you all are new into the order flow analysis, In very simple term, if I tell you what is order flow analysis is nothing, just a supply and the demand analysis, right? And also it shows the number of like buyer and the seller at a specific price point and at a given time. It also tells you that how the accumulation of order waiting to be executed at a different price level. Let me make it very simple for all of you. So every one of you in your trading, whatever the trading terminal that you might use for your trading, so you have seen this order market depth window. What this market depth window tells you, so it's all about the order flow. Let me take you into a very simple analysis over there. Uh, 1 second. So here, if you're seeing, you have 540 the price, and basically it is called bid price here, and here it is called ask. Whenever you want to buy something, you have to pay for this price, and whenever you have to sell, you will sell at this price, right? This is the normal things that we do in our trading terminal. So let's say the price of this particular bid at now is 540, where the total number of quantity that are there, that is 1050 here. And on the other side, you're seeing the offer price is 551 and the total quantity is 400. Now, if a buyer is looking out for a 551 and the seller that basically buyer is offering like 540, but actually the other person is looking out for 551, a trade cannot happen. A trade to happen, right? Either this price has to come down to this 540 price, or this person has to raise the price to 551, then only a trade can happen into the market. And also the number of quantity. Let me explain you here. So let's say here the price of a stock, like the demand is very high into the stock, and we are like everyone want to buy this price, right? And what happened here is this person that is offering is 551 as of now, and he know that okay, demand is very high at this particular price. He's not going to lose or the lower the price. As of now, what the other person, the bidder, right, what they have to do is he has to raise the bid. He has to raise the bid to match the price of 551. Here, he will just raise the price to 551, and then he can offer like how many quantity? 1050. But the person that who is offering like 551 for 400 quantity, and a trade will happen, the 400 quantity will sold out, and now this particular price, let's say in this one you will so minus this, so around 650 quantity will be left over, and so on, that this particular price will come, that as of now 650 quantity are there. Now this is the person, now he's offering like 551.95, and now either the same way it has to lower the price to, now this particular price is 551. Either this person has to lower the price to 551, or this particular person has to now raise the price to 551.95. Then a trade would happen. So all of these orders, if I talk about in a big term today, so all of these order are what kind of order? There are only two kind of orders in the market available are. One of that is the limit order. Other kind of order is the market order. The screen that you are seeing and bid and ask panel, right? That are limit order. And the limit order are not executed order. Understand, right? A trade to happen, either the limit order, the buyer has to move the price to a higher level, or the someone, the one who is placing a market order, he will just want to buy at any price. Let's say in the our bid ask panel, we have 551. Here we have 540. Now the person is buying at any price cost and he is placing a market order over there. Now it will automatically get triggered here. So the market order people will fulfill the demand of the limit buyer. And the same is the case when the market order seller want to sell something, he will fulfill the demand of basically the seller, limit seller. So there are only two kind of order that can happen into the market. Why I'm telling you these things? Team, we have to understand whenever we are trading intraday, right? What kind of order are placed into the market? If we know that particular depth of what kind of order are there in the market and who drives the market, you can actually make a difference that okay, the market is going to be trending today, the market is going to be the sideways today, where the big player are sitting and how they are going to trade. Let me tell you a very good analogy here. So in case of order flow, when we analyze the order flow system here, we will use the order flow system, use only the market order. It doesn't use limit order. The order flow that we will see, it will only trigger the market order. It will not see the limit order. So what I mean to the market order, I will say there is an aggressive buyer or aggressive seller here. So this order flow will tell you the aggressive buyer or aggressive. Who is aggressive buyer? Like say if the market is getting trending and wanted to like move up and up and up. And that time, if the limit number of market order are coming and the very large quantity offering that okay, at whatever price I want to buy this particular index at this particular price, it means there is a good chance the stock or index that will move up. In the same way, where the big player are using the limit order. So here I divide it into a retailer and a big player. Retailer is like us, and the big player is like anyone who having a large capital who can deploy 100 crore, 200 crore, 500 crore into the market in a fraction of a second. It can be FIs, DIs, and anybody like us who have a large capital. That I would call is as a big player into the market. When a big player enter into the market, he drives the market, and all of us know very well about this particular concept, right? So that there are two kind of orders are there. One is the limit order, one is the market order, and the in order flow analysis that we will use is the market order. So in terms of a big player, right? If we want to understand now how this limit order and the market order works, let's say, let me give you an example here. I will push it down. Let me go to this. Let's say this particular, this would be the our order flow system. This is go charting node. You can buy it from anywhere, wherever you are getting the order flow things, might be Quant Hour, Go Charting, and many other platforms are coming these days. Whichever suits you best, you can buy it. I think it's cost you around 1,000 rupees, not much. So my point here is you can buy anything, but right now I'm using the Go Charting. It's one of the basic, but it is very useful software. Let me explain you here. Let's say here, right? You are seeing a price running into the market, and imagine a scenario. You are a buyer. You think that the market will move up today, right? When the market will move up today, and you want to buy at the best price, like you mean you are a big player. Understand in terms of the psychology of a big player, not the retailer. Retailer will follow the big player. The big player wanted to place an order into the market where he will place his order. I mean, where he will get in the best price. Let's say, for my understanding, the yesterday market closed at this, market was high was this. The big player somewhere has to make an order. Let's say for him, either this would be the candle where the because they know where the market will move, right? Or this would be the price. But suddenly adding large fund into the market will drive just one side move. But the big player cannot accumulate all his quantity into the market just in one move. So he need to plan a certain trade where he can have a large quantity placed as an order, the limit order, And whenever the market moves up and then it drive down to the particular level, and then suddenly like all the limit order got buy, and then still again market moves up. For example, this would be the range here. Some few quantity the person is buying here at this level, few quantity here, few quantity here, let's say few quantity here, right? Something like that. Or if the big player is there, he want to sell because the market in a short span of time moved very rapidly high and want to sell. He looking for a sell opportunity. He will place few sell order here, few sell order here, few sell order here, and then the market will go down till the time his all the quantity gets like sold into the market, right? So at this particular level, so the person who is placing a limit order here, right, will be very large quantity, and that's why the when the market just try to move up, immediately go down. When they try to move up, it will go down. When the time moves up, it will go down. So big player, in our old sheet we were talking about the kind of traders here. We were seeing there are limit order, the market order. The big player will use the limit order only at certain price level where the valuation, right, the value of that particular index for that particular day, where they are finding the best opportunity for the buy, they will place all of their order over that. They will drive the market to that particular level, and then market will stay there till the time all the limit order got buy, and then it will move up. So the limit order, if I tell you in a broader term, is kind of act as a good support, right, or resistance. When I say the good support and resistance, it means there has to be a very large quantity, because our in India's system that is that we cannot see more than 20 depth of the order. And if you are trading like say bank Nifty, in each depth you are seeing 0.05 tick, so hardly 2 rupees 3 rupees of difference you can see. But if you have to see like the bank Nifty is running at like say 143,140, and someone there is a big player who have placed an order at 43,000, let's say 42,940 something, he plays a large quantity over here. But you, because you cannot see